For the first time ever, the annual Oroville Fireworks Show is happening here at Riverbend Park. The city's already busy working out traffic control, shuttle service, and the park festivities, and here's what you need to know. Viewing is gonna happen right here on the soccer fields. The fireworks are gonna launch about 30 minutes after sundown, and they're expected to run for 25 minutes. There are going to be free shuttles that'll pick you up and drop you off. The pickup and drop-off maps will go live on the Oroville Chamber of Commerce website when they have them ready. Bring your own chairs, blankets, coolers, and get ready for the show. I'll be posting updates here if any new details do happen to come out, because I am really excited that